In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist IP addresses in Gmail spam, phishing, and malware settings. If you want to make sure messages from a trusted source are less likely to be flagged by Gmail spam protection, this setting can help. Whitelisting an IP address tells the system to trust mail coming from that specific server or range of servers. This is especially useful when you're working with a known sender and want to improve delivery reliability across your organization. To begin, open your Google admin settings and navigate to Apps, then Google Workspace, then Gmail. From there, go into Spam, Phishing, and Malware. This area contains the advanced protection and filtering controls for your Gmail environment, so it's where you can manage how incoming mail is treated before it reaches user inboxes. Once you're on that page, scroll down until you find the email whitelist section. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the correct layout area, since this section is specifically where trusted sending IP addresses are added. If you manage multiple Gmail security settings, it's a good idea to double check the section title before making changes so you don't accidentally adjust a different filter. Next, enter the specific IP address or IP range that you want to trust. Be careful to type the information exactly as intended, since even a small formatting mistake can cause the rule not to work properly. If you're adding a range, make sure it matches the approved sending infrastructure used by the sender you trust. This helps avoid allowing messages from unintended sources. After entering the IP address or range, click Save to whitelist those addresses. Saving the change applies the updated configuration to your Gmail spam filtering settings. If you don't save, the entry won't be recorded, so make sure that final step is completed before leaving the page. Once the setting has been saved, confirm that the updated spam filtering rules take effect across accounts. Depending on your environment, changes may take a little time to fully apply, so it's a good idea to verify that users covered by the setting are benefiting from the update. You can do this by checking whether messages from the trusted source are now being handled as expected. That's it. You've successfully updated Gmail spam, phishing, and malware settings to whitelist trusted IP addresses and help improve email delivery for approved senders.